So, school's right around the corner, but there is just one problem. You're not anime enough. Now, with how long a lot of us have been in quarantine and classes being online, it can be rough having to at the very least look presentable in class every day. Luckily, you'll be able to hide under any guise you want. No longer will you appear unkempt as if you've used the excuse of being stuck at home to not care for regular hygiene. Want your waifu? Hell, you can be your waifu. Step 1. Have OBS and VR chat installed. Afterwards, download the OBS virtual cam plugin and install that as well. Once that's set up, the fun part. Get into VR chat, and while a VR headset is recommended to have more to do and show off, there is a simple desktop method I'll show later on for you peasants. Now, go and find your true self. Whether you see yourself as a cute anime girl, a cute anime girl, a cute anime girl, or a titan, there's bound to be an avatar perfect enough to hide your true disgusting self. For us VR users, open up the stream camera. On OBS, add game or display source, then launch and start the virtual cam. With this, we're able to use our game footage as a webcam sit-in kind of thing, and yes, this opens up so much more potential. On whatever your teacher decides, whether it's Zoom or Discord, change the video input to virtual cam, and bada bing bada boom, you're now the baddest one on Zoom. Oh, and I guess for desktop users, all you gotta do is, well, walk to a mirror in a world or go into third person, and there you go. But with the camera, we can take the class vlogging.